I'm joined now by B. Thiagarajan, MD of Blue Star. Mr. Thiagarajan, very good morning. Thank you so much for speaking with us here at NDTV Profit. Always a pleasure to have you on. Let's.
It is wonderful to. Good morning, Tamanna. It is wonderful to interact with you.
Lovely. Let's begin with, how you're looking at the season pan out. Consumer durables and especially home electronics have had a bit of a subdued couple of months. Do you expect that to pick up? What are the early trends you're noticing?
That's not the case in air conditioners category. You're aware we had an excellent summer season, which grew more than 50% this year, an unprecedented growth. Post that, the demand continues to be good. It's not at the same level as summer, but we are seeing a continued demand. I would say the air conditioner category is witnessing huge demand across the country, including tier 3, 4, 5 markets. We look forward to an excellent festive season.
Mr. Thiagarajan, just want to understand whether or not weather conditions in this case are also one other important factor which is pushing sales for air conditioners. Is that one a big factor in? And also, if you could just give us an idea with respect to e-commerce and the kind of role that it is playing for sales, as well as quick commerce now. Suddenly, we're all talking about instant sales where appliances show up on your doorstep within, minutes. How do you see all of this panning out here?
Agam, good morning. The demand part of it is happening basically. The penetration levels are lower. It is somewhere around some 7 to 8%, and it has to move up. It will more than double within next 4 years of time. And so it is driven by that. Second is the urban heat effect. Even in smaller towns, the temperatures in summer season are unbearable. In the rest of the year, it is the humidity that is causing the issue. The homes that are constructed or the apartments that are there do not have any cross ventilation. The next part is connected with the power bill itself. Thanks to the energy labeling program, over the past 15 years, the energy efficiency has been improved dramatically. So if you would have bought an air conditioner in the year, let us say 2000, today it will consume only 20% of the power that it consumed in year 2000. So therefore, running cost is no longer an issue. Then, unlike other categories, air conditioners at a home are consumed more than one. It could be 2 or 3, depending on the apartment or the customer. Now, given this, the demand continues to grow. And most importantly, thanks to the PLI scheme and other initiatives of the government, local supply chain has developed dramatically, and therefore the prices and supplies are kept at affordable level. These are the reasons for demand growth. Coming to the channels, as is the case in most categories, many channels coexist in India. So the modern trade or the power retailers, regional power retailers, and other retail stores, distribution networks, and then e-commerce and the quick commerce. All of this are going to coexist. And we are also witnessing convergence of the buying patterns here, because the consumer is using the internet to do his preliminary research on buying a product like air conditioner, and therefore his expectations from the channel remains the same. Let us say in e-commerce, the price drops due to a sale. Within seconds, the consumer is aware this is the price at which, and therefore the dealers demand this is the price at which I will sell.
Mr. Thiagarajan, just to understand, sir, so what is the expectations? Can you quantify that from the festive season? What is the expectations to revenues that you're going to see, since you already had a fantastic summer, and that is, I would say, peak season for you for your segment. But in festive season, what is the kind of revenue increment that you're seeing?
I think it started with Onam. Onam was not that great because of Wayanad incident. I can very well understand that. But going by what is currently happening in the market, I think easily 20% growth is possible during the season, starting today till the new year.
Mr. Thiagarajan, there were issues with respect to supply chain in the first quarter. Have things eased up since then, and could there be a better improvement, rather better performance based on that in the second quarter?
It has eased out. At least Blue Star lost some sale in the month of June last year. Basically, we couldn't cope with, because the April growth was around 70%. May was again 70% growth. But right now, there is no constraint in terms of supplies at all. And there is no over inventory as well, because with the local supply chain, you are able to plan properly. The inventories are in components, because there are still supply chain disruptions in receiving the components from various sources.
Okay, just one last question, sir, and this is not on festive season, but this news came in. So I just wanted your view on it, or any clarification if you'd like to give, that this company, WJ Towel & Co., filed an arbitration proceeding against you. You had a filing saying that these claims are unsubstantiated and no financial impact, no material financial impact. Can you give us some information on this? What is the size of the arbitration proceedings that they're demanding?
So this is a shareholder agreement we had entered into for electromechanical projects business in Oman. It was way back in 2015. And in July 2023, there was an arbitration proceeding that was initiated. The original claim was something like rupees 2024 crores. And yesterday we received a claim amount of rupees 462 crores as against what was 224 crores. Either 2024 crores or 462 crores, all are frivolous. And these are not defendable by the party, and we are defending ourselves. And there is not any financial impact that will be on Blue Star at all. We are more than confident in this matter.
Okay, Mr. Thiagarajan, we'll leave it at that. Thank you so much for joining us and taking us through how things are panning out for the quarter and what we can expect going forward into the festive season.